Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're making a crisp and refreshing zucchini salad that's perfect for summer. If you love light, healthy and easy recipes, you're going to enjoy this. Let's get started. When the sun stays out late and the garden begins to overflow, nothing beats the crunch of fresh zucchini. Most people think of this versatile squash only when it's grilled or baked into bread. However, eating it raw is a total revelation. A zucchini salad offers a light, hydrating alternative to those heavy, mayo-based pasta dishes that often weigh you down at picnics. It's the kind of side dish that looks elegant but requires almost no effort to pull together. You get a satisfying snap in every bite, paired with a brightness that only comes from peak season produce. Since zucchini is mostly water, it feels incredibly refreshing on a humid afternoon. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or just need a quick lunch, this salad hits the spot. It's time to move past the stove and embrace the crisp, clean flavors of raw summer vegetables. Why you will love this fresh zucchini salad. You'll quickly find that this dish becomes a staple in your kitchen because it's remarkably simple. First, the flavor profile is naturally mild, which means it carries dressings and herbs beautifully. It doesn't compete with your main course but instead acts as a palate cleanser. For those following specific diets, this salad is a dream come true. It's naturally gluten-free and low in calories, making it a guilt-free addition to any plate. You don't need fancy equipment or hard-to-find ingredients either. In fact, you probably have most of the dressing components in your pantry right now. The texture is another reason this dish stands out so much. While cooked zucchini can sometimes become mushy, raw ribbons stay firm and structural. This makes the salad feel substantial and hearty despite its lightness. It also pairs perfectly with almost any protein, from grilled chicken to flaky white fish. Because the ingredients are so basic, the quality of your produce really shines through. You'll appreciate how the natural sweetness of the squash balances with tangy citrus or salty cheese. It's a modern take on a summer classic that feels sophisticated yet accessible. The secrets to picking the best zucchini. Selecting the right vegetable is the first step toward a successful salad. You should look for smaller zucchini, usually about 6 to 8 inches long. These younger squash have much smaller seeds and a higher density, which prevents the salad from becoming watery. If you pick up a giant zucchini, the center is often spongy and bland. Check the skin for a vibrant, dark green color without any soft spots or gashes. The skin should feel smooth and slightly firm to the touch when you give it a gentle squeeze. A fresh stem is also a good sign, as a dried out or shriveled end suggests the vegetable has been sitting for too long. That's it for part 1. Now you know why this zucchini salad is a must-try this summer. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.